Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So in this lecture, we are going to learn how to convert any decimal number into binary number. So what are the decimal number? Actually day-to-day life, the numbers what we just come across all are decimal numbers. And binary is the form which number format computers actually understand. And in binary, actually there is only two kind of digits are there. One is 0 and there is 1. And in case of decimal, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 10 digits are available in this decimal system. Now how to convert this? Just take any example. Like we have to convert 17, which is in decimal, we have to convert in binary system. Okay, so the main process of this, you have to first write 1 and then keep on doubling this. Okay, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Now when we just cross this number which we have to convert from decimal to binary, then we will just stop. So as 32 is just greater than 17, so we'll just stop there, and this 17 actually lies between somewhere this 32 and 16. Okay, now we have to take that the largest number which we can subtract from the given number, which is 17 here, that number we have to take. So here 16 is the largest number which we can subtract from 17. Okay, now if we subtract, so then remainder will be 1. Now as we subtracted 16 from that number, we'll put 1 on the head of this 16. Okay, then 1 is there. So in this right hand side series, only 1 is available which we can just subtract from this one. Okay, so write 1 there and put 1 on the head of this one. So now we have 0 remaining. Now come to this section. So from this starting one and this ending one, in between we find there are some numbers are there which we didn't used. Okay, now put 0 on top of them. Okay, once it's done, now what we got, this is the actually binary formation of our given number 17. Okay, we can check it also there. The numbers on which head 1 is there, like here 16 and 1. If we add these two numbers, we'll get back 17. Like this way also we can check. Let's check another digit. Like we have to convert 56 into binary form. Okay, now what to do? Our process was same: 1, then 2, then 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Now 64 lies somewhere between 56 lies somewhere between 64 and 32. Okay, now the largest number what we can subtract from this 56 is 32, right? We write the 32 here and 56 minus 32. Okay, so we put 1 there. Now what is remaining? The remaining will be 24. Okay, now 24 lies somewhere between this area. So what we'll do, we can subtract the highest number 16 from this number and it will remain 8. So as we have subtracted already 16, so we'll put 1 head of 16. Now again 8 is the largest number we can subtract. We put 8 and we got 0. So we'll write, as we subtracted 8 from there, so we write 1 on the top of 8. Now nothing left, so we'll just put 0 all the other places. Then what we already got is the binary formation of 56. So we can check also, like 32, then 16, then 8. If we add them up, it will again come to 56, which was our given number in the decimal point. Okay, we can try it using some very larger number like 259. Okay, now what's the process? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256 and 512. Okay, now in this series 256 is the largest number. We can subtract from this given number, so our resultant will be 3. So we'll put 1 there. Now again in this series 2 is the largest number. We can subtract from 3. So 3 minus 2 will be 1, and we'll put 1 on the head of this as we subtracted 2. Now 1 is remaining. Okay, then again we can minus 1 from this remaining 1, so it will be 0. So we'll put 1 there, and rest all the numbers on the top of them we'll just put zeros. So my binary formation of 259 will be equal to 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. Okay, hope you guys understood the method. Thank you for listening.